Welcome back. In this video dedicated Nano Banana Pro inside Higgsfield AI, we'll take a concrete look at the capabilities of the new visual engine powered by Gemini 3 Pro Image. The focus is on 4K output, micro-detail quality, and overall image stability, even in complex scenarios. I prepared a set of very different generations to examine how the model handles textures, proportions, technical elements, dense environments, and high-precision surfaces. Before we begin, there's one important highlight. If you sign up before Friday 28th, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro for a full year within some of the plans you can choose from on the site. This means complete freedom to experiment, create, and work in full 4K without daily limits. See the description and the pinned comment. Now, I want to show you how quick and easy it is to generate a high-quality image. Select Image from the top menu and click on Nano Banana Pro. This will open the panel for using the model and generating 4K. The library and history of all our previous generations will also be displayed. Here we can select the model, aspect ratio, and resolution. Enter the prompt with the image we want and click Generate. Look at this simple example. We're creating a person to use as a model for our photos. Now let's look at the created images in detail and see the definition. Details like hair, skin pores, wrinkles, and clothing material are visible and well detailed. Now let's move to a completely different type of image. A classic 1980s bedroom full of objects, posters, comics, VHS tapes, and a CRT television. This is an ideal environment to test whether a model can truly handle a large variety of details inside a single scene. Here, too, the 4K output is impressive. Posters remain crisp, the text on VHS covers is readable, and materials like paper, plastic, concrete, and fabric are all distinct. The lamp casts a warm light with a clean gradient, and the TV maintains a believable CRT glow. Nano Banana Pro shows a very solid understanding of how a real environment should be construed. Here are a few images I created with very minimal prompts. I then used some of today's main video generation models to animate and expand these visuals. You can also share your content on your Higgsfield AI profile, or take inspiration from creations shared by other users. Each creation is shared with all the information behind the generation, such as the model used and the text prompt. Nano Banana's ability to follow the prompt in detail is something only a few other models can achieve. And now, with the 4K resolution generation properly handled, it is possible to create ultra-realistic scenes. Let's explore some more high-level creations. Let's try creating and animating a scene from start to finish. We'll create a person, a fictional animal that can talk, and animate the scene directly in Higgsfield AI. Using a model, for consistency, we'll use VO3.
Go on, I'm listening. You really believe the dry food conspiracy theories? That's ridiculous.
You can create realistic scenes, cartoons, comics, and manga, works of art, modify existing scenes, or your own photographs. With this huge update, Nano Banana Pro joins the many great tools on Higgsfield AI. In my opinion, I can only confirm the power of this tool. Nano Banana Pro is perfect for professional digital artists who need production-ready assets for client work, performance marketers and ad creatives who build text-heavy social ads, banners and out-of-home concepts, brand and packaging designers who create mock-ups of boxes, bottles, labels, and user interfaces with readable, on-brand typography, thumbnail and poster artists who require stable characters, faces and layouts across multiple variants, educational and explainer creators who need to visualize equations, diagrams, and structured content that must make logical sense, product and UX boards, app screens, and user flows with legible copy and controlled structure, agencies and in-house creative teams who write precise prompts and need predictable, low-iteration image workflows. Thanks for watching. You can find all the information in the description and in the pinned comment. See you in the next video.